Taxes. Whether we like it or not, it's part of our world. There are two types of taxes we need to think about. The first is direct tax, which is direct amount of money that we pay into the government. And there's indirect tax, which is taken from your spending and you don't really know that it's going.
So an example of this would be if you go to a cafe or you go to a restaurant, you pay the bill and you've eaten inside that restaurant or you've eaten inside that cafe, you will notice that you have paid VAT tax on that.
But let's talk about direct tax, which is the amount of money that you have to pay directly into the government.
So that could be corporation tax, capital gains tax, it could be income tax. But all of these different things are things that you have to actively pay and things that you will notice that you're paying.
Let's talk about income tax as an example of direct taxes. Income tax is the amount of money, a percentage, that you pay to the government based on how much you earn.
So for example, if I work for a school and that school pays me every single month, I will have my PAYE income tax taken out of that before it hits my bank account.
So when you start working, you'll be able to see that on your payslip as a PAYE note. If you are self-employed, however, you have to do this directly by yourself or using an accountant.
So it's my responsibility to make sure that I pay the correct amount to HM Revenue and Customs. Depending how much I'm earning over the course of a year, that will determine how much I'm paying in taxes. Basically, if I earn less than £12,000 in a year, I'm not having to pay any income tax on that amount. If I earn £12,000 to £50,000, then I will have to pay 20% in tax. If I earn more than $50,000, then that income rate will then be 40%.
So now that you know all about direct taxes and indirect taxes, there are plenty of other examples of direct taxes and indirect taxes that you should consider. And because taxes are part of our world, you should look at our website to find out more information about this with examples and worksheets that you can go through for yourself.